The present support floor for Doge is 0.056, which carries notable significance. The present examination of Dogecoin's price reveals a predominantly ascending trajectory observed today, albeit with a moderate degree of progression. Dogecoin demonstrates a significant level of resistance at 0.064 in the medium term. The Doge cryptocurrency observed a notable surge of 2.88 units during the course of 1 week, signifying a big and noteworthy development. August 6, 2023. The objective of this video is to offer a thorough examination of the present and upcoming price patterns of Dogecoin. The aim of this study is to provide clarification and answer frequently sought-after information pertaining to the topic matter at hand. What is the fundamental essence of the shifting cost forecasts for Dogecoin? Is it advisable to make an investment in Doge, considering its notable levels of support and resistance? Prior to conducting an in-depth technical analysis of Doge, it is essential to evaluate the current market conditions. The recent market inquiry, conducted inside a 24-hour timeframe, has indicated a noteworthy decrease of 1.84. Consequently, the total valuation of the digital currency market has reached $1,207,461,109,687. In contrast to prevailing perceptions, the aggregate trading volume persists at a considerable magnitude of 23,363,779,520, hence underscoring its notable importance. At present, Bitcoin commands a market share of 48.56%, whereas Ethereum possesses a market share of 16.33%. The presented data underscores the significance of initially assessing the current market conditions prior to engaging in an in-depth technical analysis of Dogecoin, according to recent market research conducted within the last 24 hours. There has been a notable decrease of 1.84 in the whole cryptocurrency market. As a consequence, the total market value has reached a considerable amount of $1,207,461,110,9,687. Consequently, the value of Bitcoin has surged to $30,172.69, exhibiting a significant vertical increase of 1.17. In a comparable manner, Ethereum has experienced a significant surge in price, with a remarkable increase of 0.71, ultimately reaching a value of $1,897.29 within the aforementioned timeframe. It is noteworthy to notice that XRP was exchanged at a value of 75 cents, indicating a price fluctuation of 0.37 within the specified period. Furthermore, BNB, the indigenous cryptocurrency of BNB, has experienced an increase of 0.7 and is presently being traded for 243.64 cents. The BCX of cocoa saw a depreciation of 0.77, leading to a price of 60 cents. The significant decrease seen suggests that the market is currently undergoing a short-term downward trajectory. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a widespread decrease, with a notable example being Dogecoin. This loss is particularly noticeable when considering the key medium-term resistance level of 0.064 for Dogecoin. The assessment of Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing serves as significant technical indicators in the identification of pivotal price levels that may trigger a reversal in the prevailing trend. Support is a term commonly used to describe a threshold at which purchasers become more engaged and impede the decline of a cryptocurrency's value. As a consequence, the value of Bitcoin experienced an increase, reaching a level of $30,172.69 following a notable vertical movement of 1.17. Conversely, resistance denotes a threshold above which sellers exhibit heightened activity, impeding any further upward movement in the price of the coin. The value of Coco's BCX depreciated by 0.77, leading to a price of 60 cents. The decrease in value can be ascribed to the observed levels of support and resistance for Dogecoin, Doge, which presently stands at 0.073, indicating a 2.04% rise over the previous 24-hour period. Throughout the duration of the week, Dogecoin has exhibited a price volatility of 2.88%. thereby emphasizing the importance of its support and resistance thresholds. The present valuation of Dogecoin, Doge, is 0.073, indicating a rise of 2.04% throughout the previous 24-hour period. Furthermore, the value of the aforementioned entity has undergone a variation of 2.88% during the course of the week. In contrast to prevailing perceptions, the daily trading volume of Dogecoin in Bitcoin, BTC, equates to $29,241,688. Furthermore, the current market capitalization of Dogecoin has surged to a value of $10,189,086,497, suggesting that the minimum level of support for Doge stands at 0.056. It is noteworthy to emphasize that the current circulation of Dogecoin stands at around 140,293,856,384, which is equivalent to the total supply. This information serves to strengthen the previously mentioned support level of 0.056. A comprehensive examination was undertaken to evaluate the worth of Dogecoin on August 6, 2023. Including a range of technical indicators including the Relative Strength Index, RSI, moving averages, including simple moving averages and exponential moving averages, and the Williams %R indicator. The objective of the investigation was to evaluate the prospective trajectory of Dogecoin. The RSI and Williams %R indicators both suggested a state of neutrality, as evidenced by the Williams %R value of 58.383 over a 14-day timeframe in this particular region. It is possible for a transaction, namely a signal, to occur in a nuanced manner. The current positioning of the MACD line below the signal line subsequent to a crossover suggests the possibility of additional future progress. Furthermore, it is worth mentioning that Dogecoin has a notable medium-term resistance level at $0.864, underscoring its significance. Investors in Dogecoin are advised to demonstrate patience while awaiting notable fluctuations in the daily chart, which presently exhibits a pronounced downward trajectory within the cryptocurrency market. It is noteworthy to mention that Dogecoin encounters a significant amount of resistance at 0.064 in the medium term, highlighting its importance. The documentation of comparative power, essentially. According to the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the current status of Dogecoin can be characterized as oversold, as evidenced by the RSI value of 24. This suggests a notable decline in price. Furthermore,